Hi, this is a quick walkthrough on how to set up a LinkedIn page for a company. So we've got a customer called JPR Electrical. We've just set up a new LinkedIn business page for them, and we're just going to get the other bits and pieces sorted out. So we've put the logo in here already. The ideal size is 300 by 300 pixels. And if it's bigger, it doesn't really matter because LinkedIn will squeeze it down to the right size. Now I'm going to do a cover image across here, which will be at the top of all their pages. LinkedIn say 1128 by 191 pixels. If the image you have is bigger, it doesn't matter because you can just move it around to position it. And the one I'm going to use is bigger than that size. So all I'm doing is clicking on this pencil, upload cover image. And we have one here. This one here, I think it is, we've already created. There we go. So yeah, I can move it up and down to position it correctly. I'm just trying to get this text in the middle of the box here because it's quite a narrow box. I think that looks okay. Then I'm going to click on save. Does that look all right? Yep. And then if I click on edit page here, I can do the rest of the information about them. So under header, page info, we've got the logo here. If you want to change the logo, upload a logo, just click on that button. Company name, JPR Electrical. The URL is going to be linkedin.com/company JPR Electrical, which is all good. We've got a tagline here, a slogan about the company. Now, if I just go to their website, I'm just going to grab a bit of text from here for now. Let's just take this line here, which I think works okay. Pop that in there. Maybe a little bit on the long side. 120 characters in length. So I'm going to just trim that down a bit for domestic and commercial electrical areas in the Wellingborough, Northampton areas. That's to make that a little bit more salesy. Domestic and commercial electrical experts. There we go. So that's used up about 2/3 of the available space, and I'm happy with that. Let me just click on save, make sure that's stored. We've also got a button on LinkedIn which will default to visit website, which is what I want, and we've got the website URL there. So what we see is when someone looks at them on LinkedIn, the logo, JPR Electrical, domestic and commercial electrical experts in the Wellingborough and Northampton areas, and a button, visit website. There's a few other bits and pieces as well. There's this overview bit where you can put in a block of text. So we've got 2,000 characters there. That's going to need a bit more thought. I'm just going to pop in, let's just put in the first couple of paragraphs from their website there. It will need a bit more careful thought before we finalize that because it's a strong sales message about the business. So, you know, that'll do for now, but I'm going to go back in there and do that properly. There's the website. Industry, there isn't an electrical industry. There are things around it. So at the moment, we've put this one in as appliances, electrical and electronics manufacturing. So the electrical bit is okay. There's construction as an alternative. So if you're mainly working on new builds and you're doing electrical or security, then we tend to go that route. But for more general services, for electrical, we'd go for this one here. Company size, phone number. Let me just get that from their website. 01604 279 400. Year founded, I can't remember what their year founded was off the top of my head. Let's click on save there. So I think that's all good. That'll do us for now. We're going to fill this out a bit more. I'm happy with the image. That looks okay. There's their logo. There's the sort of strap line, the first message. There's a bit of information about the company, website, phone number, industry. I think that's all good there. Fine, that's it. I hope that's useful.